Gotta say, back in the day, that CTS-V was about, I'd say about 5-6 years ago. Yeah, no, not that long. Probably about 4 years ago. 5. But I just bought this new Trailblazer SS, new build. Gonna make her look nice. I'm about to get a little pull of my 05 LS6 CTS-V after I show y'all what I just picked up. Let me know if y'all want to know how much I picked it up for. SS, of course. A little bit of rust. 2006. Interior looks pretty solid. Cloth, unfortunately, but hey, you can't have it all, man. 1 SS, 2 SS, 3 SS. It is rear-wheel drive, though. Yeah, I was like 17 years old. Say I like to have fun, right?